Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use one-handed mode in iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, you have just to go to Settings, and after that scroll down a little bit to General. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find Keyboard. And in Keyboard, as you can see here, there is one-handed keyboard. Click on it, and here you can choose like your one-handed keyboard if you want it on the left side or the right side of your screen. And like that, you can use the one-handed mode on iPhone with iOS 26. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you